you students. Today we will discuss exercise 2.6. Question number 1 is we have to find the values of these given products. Okay. See here. We have to multiply. This is a decimal value 0.2 and 6 is a whole number. Okay. Or natural number, whatever you say. We have to multiply these two numbers. First, remember anything. First, the multiply. Forget about this decimal point. Just think. So when we remove this decimal, it will be 2. Okay, and 2 6 ja 12. Okay. In multiplication of, again I am repeating, in multiplication of decimals, first forget the decimals. Okay, and then the multiply the numbers. After removing this decimal, only 02 means that is 2. So 2 6 ja 12. Now here we see that in the multiplication, after decimal there is one digit. Okay, so we will put the decimal in the product after one digit. Okay, so from the right we will put the decimal after one digit. Now coming to third, we have to multiply this number. Just forget this decimal point. Okay, just think it is 271 multiplied 75. Okay, when 271 will be multiplied with 5, it will be 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, carry 3, and 5 2 ja 10 plus 3 13. Okay, now see here in the multiplication, it was a decimal point here. After decimal there are two digits. After decimal there are two digits. Okay, so in the product we will put the decimal after two digits, 1 2 here. Okay, so it will be 13.55. Now coming to 5, we have to multiply 0.05 into 7. Just forget this decimal. Okay, after removing this decimal only 5 will left, and 5 7 ja 35. Okay, now in the multiplication side it was the decimal. After decimal there were two digits. After decimal there are two digits, 1 2. So after two digits put the decimal 1 2 and here, so 0.35. Now coming to 6, we have to multiply this number. Again forget this decimal. Okay, and multiply this number 21,102 by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 0 ja 0, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, and 4 2 ja 8. Okay, now here we see that after decimal there are two digits, 1 2. So after two digits 1 2 put the decimal. Okay, so its answer will be 844.08. Now coming to question number 2. Question number 2 is saying the length and breadth of a rectangle is given here. Okay, the length is 5.7 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter. And then we have to find the area of rectangle. We know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now see here, length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay, again multiply these numbers. Okay, 5.7 into 3. First multiply 57 into 3. 3 7 ja 21. Carry 2, 3 5 ja 15 plus 2 17. Okay, now after decimal there is one digit, so put decimal after one digit. Okay, now centimeter into centimeter, that becomes square centimeter. Now coming to question number 3rd. In third we have to find the values of following numbers. Okay, following multiplications. See here, number 1 is 1.3 multiplied 10. Again, in the question number 1 I have said that just forget this decimal point. After removing this decimal it will be left 13. So 13 10 ja 130. Okay, and see here after decimal there is one digit. After decimal there is only one digit, so put the decimal after one digit, 1, and put the decimal here. So its value is 13.0, or you say 13. Okay, now coming to third, 153.7 multiplied 10. Okay, just forget the decimal, so it will be 1537 into 10. This number is multiplied 15370. Okay, and then after decimal, here after decimal there is one digit, so after one digit put the decimal here. Okay, now coming to 5, 31.1 into 100. First multiply this number 311 into 100, that is 311 and 2 zeros. And then see here after decimal there is one digit, so after one digit put the decimal. Okay, Now coming to 8. 43.07 multiplied 100. First multiply this number. 4307. 4307 into 100. 2 zeros. Okay. Here we see that after decimal there are two digits. 1, 2. So after decimal, after two digits, 1, 2, put the decimal here. Okay. Now coming to 10. 0.08 into 10. First multiply this 8 into 10. 8 into 10 means 80. Now after decimal here there are two digits. 1, 2. So put the decimal after two digits. 1, 2 and the decimal here. So 0.80. Now coming to 12. It is 0.03 multiplied 1000. Just remove this decimal. It will be 3. 003 means 3 into 1000, that is 3000. And then after decimal here there are two digits. 1, 2. So put the decimal after two digits. 1, 2 and the decimal, that is 30.00. I am giving one example here. See, suppose you have to multiply 1.5 into 1.5. Okay, see here. In this type of multiplication, just forget the decimal. It is 15 multiplied 15. Okay, 15 15 are 225. Okay, now see here, in this number after decimal there is one digit, and here too after decimal there is one digit. So it means after decimal there are two digits. So we will put the decimal in the product after two digits. 1, 2. Okay, don't be confused that here in the number there is only one number is decimal given here. If both the numbers are decimal numbers, then we will count the number of decimal points. Okay, number of the digits after the decimals, and then we will put the decimals accordingly. Okay, after decimal one digit and after decimal 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So here in the product 1 2, put the decimal here. Okay. Now coming to question number 4. Question number 4 is saying a two-wheeler is covering 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter. And then how much distance it will cover in 10 liter. In 10 liter, how much distance it will cover. Okay. So by unitary method, in 1 liter, two-wheeler is covering 55.3 kilometer. So in 10 liter, two-wheeler will cover 55.3 into 10. Now multiply this 553 into 10, that is 5530. And then after decimal there is one digit, so put the decimal after one digit here. Okay, that is. Now coming to question number 5. Question number 5, again we have to find the values of following products. Okay, see here, we have to multiply 2.5 into 0.3. See here, first forget this number, this decimal, that is after removing this decimal, it will be 25 into 0.3. Again remove this decimal, that is into 3. Okay, now see here, first multiply these numbers. So 25 3 are 75. Okay, and now see here, in the this is first number, this is second number. Okay, while putting the decimals, we have to count the number of decimal points. Okay, after in both the numbers. Okay, see here, after decimal in the first number, after decimal there is one digit, and here after decimal there is one digit. Okay, so 1 plus 1 2. So in the product we will put the decimal after two digits. So 1 2 and put the decimal here. So when it is multiplied 2.5 into 0.3, that is 0.75. Again coming to third, we have to multiply 0.2 into 316.8. First forget these two decimals. So multiply first 2 into 3168. Multiplying 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12 plus 1 13, 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3, and 2 3 is 6. Okay. Now see here, in the first number, after decimal there is one digit, and in the second number after decimal there is one digit. So 1 plus 1 2. So in the product we will put the decimal after 2 digits, 1, 2, and put the decimal here. Okay. Now coming to question number 5. Question number 5 is we have to multiply 0.5 into 0.05. See here, first forget this decimal. 5 into 5, that is 25. Okay. And then see here, after decimal here, there is 1 digit. And in the second number, after decimal, there are 2 digits. So 2 plus 1, 3. So in the product, we will put the decimal after 3 digits. 1, 2, and the third will 0, and here 1, 2, 3, and decimal. Okay. So 0.025. Again coming to 7 number. We have to multiply this number. First forget this number, it will be 107 into, forget this decimal, it will be 2. So 107 into 2, that is 214. Okay. And then put the decimal. Here we see that after decimal there are 2 digits, first number, and and in the second number after decimal there are 2 digits. So 2 plus 2, 4 digits. Okay. So in the product we will put the decimal after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then decimal. So it will be 0.0214. Now coming to 9. Again here forget these decimals. It will be 10101 into 0.001 means 1. Okay. Multiply this number. Any number which is multiplied with 1, that is the same number. So write the same number, 10101. Okay. Now see here in the first number, after decimal there are 2 digits, 1, 2, and in the second number after decimal there are 2 digits, 1, 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So in the product put the decimal after 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the decimal here. Okay. Now coming to 10, we have to multiply these numbers. Okay. Again forget the decimals. 10001 is multiplied with 11. Okay. Multiply this number with 11. 11 1 ja 11, carry 1, 1. Okay. 11 0 ja 0, 0, 11 1 ja 11. Okay. Now see here. In the first number, after decimal there are 2 digits, 1, 2, and in the second number after decimal there is 1 digit. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3. So in the product put the decimal after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal here. Okay.